Hello everyone and welcome back to another of my YouTube video. So today we are working on my one right here, my W201. So in the last video on this car, you would have saw that it broke down and that I had to get it running, which turned out to be the ignition switch, weirdly. And so I've never really known that fault before. It's quite a weird one. Again, if you haven't watched the video, go and watch that video and you'll see exactly what happened and why I was quite surprised why it happened. Anyway, so in this video we're gonna see about aftermath of that breaking down, if you like. With everything that's broken down, you turn the car on and it's got like a rattling noise, like a bearing noise, maybe a tapping noise. So I'm not sure what it is. So I think the first step will be to take the fan belt off, it's fully built off, and then eliminate every single pulley on that drive. If the noise stops, we know one of the bearings on the pulleys, and it's nothing major. If the noise stays and it's still there when you turn the engine on, we know it's a bit more major and it's coming from the actual engine itself, which we don't want. I'd rather it be from an external pulley, but we don't know until we start looking. Hopefully, it shouldn't be, but hopefully it'd be a tappet. Even though I've changed every single tappet on the engine in one go a couple of years back now, so they could have gone, but highly unlikely. I'm going to start the engine up and then let you hear the rattling, the noise first, obviously, just you know what I'm talking about, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So start the engine and show you what's going on. Okay, so lift the engine a little bit. Okay, and there's the rattling noise. Okay, so sorry about that angle, but I don't know really too much. But what I'm doing now is taking a 13mm and undoing the tensioner. This part actually applies the tension. And now I'm gonna take a leave 17mm, I think it is, and undo the actual lock nut. It should be, if I can remember, down here. I think they're too big, so I need to go for 17mm, not on that. And hopefully I can now get it on. Oh, that's on there tight. That is on there tight. That is on. Jeez. I don't know who put this on last, but they did a very good job of tightening that up. This belt actually needs replacing. I think it started to crack. And that'd be for a different video if that happened. I really probably need a bigger breaker tool. Okay, big breaker bar with the 17mm nut on it. Problem is, the fan is now going to be in the way. What I'm going to do is crack it off. I don't actually need to turn it. But, yeah, fan shroud is definitely going to be in the way now. Brilliant. Pop these off, which you normally need a screwdriver for. I'm going to try to do it just me honest. It isn't going well. Right, screwdriver. Probably going to be too big. Okay. Oh. No, just about right. Yep. And that can't come off, but hopefully we can get it out of the way. Just enough to, I think, get this on. Hopefully we can get the brake about on, or not on. Take off this face it. There's my nice thing. And of course that happens to fall down. There'd be an anti-roll bar in the way, preventing me from getting my socket back, as usual. Don't use this rough, gosh. Cracked it loose. Hopefully, it's not on there. We can now use me to the left of the way. Yep, there we go. Oh. Doesn't have to be out too far, just enough to get this off. Might have to do a bit more on the loose for that. So we'll grab the 13 again and extension and crack this off a little bit more. That's gone tight now. And that should be loose enough to take off. Right, so now let's take this both off. And hopefully we can get an idea of what's making the noise. Right, off there, off there, off there, over the crank pulley. One up. We should be clear. Get this over. Yep. Yeah, that is cracking quite a bit. Again, the battery replacing, but it'll do for now. And then we can replace at a later date. Right. Remove all the tools from the engine bay. Yep, so we've still got that noise, which means it's an internal engine problem, which is not good. So I'm going to put the belt back on. Okay, so I forgot to finish off the video last time about my 190, so I'll finish it off now. Yeah, the bearing rattling noise you really swore during the time lapse. I took the camper cover off, so all the tappets were correct, none of them were loose. So they weren't up. All the chain was completely tight. That wasn't flapping at all, so little play like usual, but nothing actually excessive. So yeah, couldn't find out what it was. So I took the car for a very slow drive. Well, no, I won't say very slow. Not really. I took the car for a slowish drive. Not that fast. Kept the RPM slow, as slow as I could really for the drive. Didn't really go past about 3,000 RPM. Yeah, took it for a lot. I wouldn't say long, but for about 20 minutes, if that. And by the time I got back, the bearing just tappy noise had gone. So I don't know what it was, but after when it broke down after down something, but after it couldn't be that major if the noise went. So that's a good thing that is. So I'll keep an eye on it though. So hopefully it stays gone, but you know, I'll keep an eye on it and report back again if I hear anything regarding that noise. But I don't think I will do. I think whatever it is, cured itself, and she's now back to a fully functioning car again. So weird fault though, very weird fault. So well, I started it originally anyway. So after the ignition switch going, but so yeah, she's back to one piece again and fully functioning with no noise. So if it goes back, I shall let you know in a general update or a different video on that car. So for now, this has been On The Drive. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you like, and if you subscribe, it really does help to see the channel grow. So anything, if you're on the drive, I'll see you in my next video.